Hi, this is Einra. I have something.
Yes, hello people, welcome back into my channel. This is one and only Einra Fierce, and today we're going to have another reaction video, another request reaction. So the problem there, sometimes we can see the comment from the desktop. Sometimes it's just available on your mobile version of your studio. So we have here the request reaction, and the requester is Ling Lao. So the song that we're going to react to is The Doorbell. So she told me that she sent the link and then she told me try Zhou Shen's Doorbell. So yes, we don't have any reaction video to this performance, Zhou Shen, and so I locate the link here. We have here a photo and of course the audio of the song, and of course I'm hoping a lot of wonderful surprises in this performance because we knew Zhou Shen and we have a lot of reaction videos to Zhou Shen because of the fascinating versions of his song, and of course those vocal technique, those wonderful, it's like silhouette kind of wonderful music that he can actually produce, like giving us a lot of confusion whether the singer is a male or a female. And of course that is the wonder of Zhou Shen in this wonderful performances. Almost all of it, but mostly the performances were into the female vocals. This is actually his vocal technique, and no question about the the wonder and the beauty of his talent. Okay, before we proceed with that reaction video, inviting everyone, please click the subscribe bar and of course notification bell so that you will get updates whenever new uploads, and comment down below your insight and also your request for more video reaction. Are you excited? Okay, let's proceed now to our reaction video of the song Ring the Doorbell, Listen to Myself. Okay, here we are. Okay, we have here. Wow. Whoa. Oh my god, I love this song, people. Zhou Shen really maximize, the clarity and of course entertainment factor in this performance. Those vocals were caressing, yes, definitely so sexy, and you wouldn't expect it. The vocal here is Zhou Shen. Oh my god, that is so sexy over there. Runs, yes, really, that is a female vocal. I told you, if you don't have the video, well, definitely you will get confused when you listen to him. Oh my gosh. There are spooky parts there, the musical instrument, it's like it showed something really spooky, but the vocals of Zhou Shen definitely great. Whoa. Full of sexiness. This is packed of sexy vocals, like a whisper into your ear, and then definitely, if you are a straight guy, you will fall. Yes, I bet. Don't listen to this video because, of course, you will feel something different. Wow.
橡皮里的纸，你要自己按门铃自己听，自己谋生啊，自己料理。
It's really complex when I listen to Zhou Shen every time. I told this many times that it's like normal vocals every time. I don't have any question about that, and it's really hard because there are also, I know, falsetto singer who can actually sing the same thing, but it's obvious. That's what, the wonder of the vocals of Zhou Shen. It's like you don't like recognize is it a normal vocals or still a falsetto vocals, because this technique really is, wonderful and amazing.
自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明，我们自己按门铃。
And also there are different texture. He can actually perform different voices in that wonderful technique. Really questionable how he does that, but of course that is talent, innate talent indeed.
自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明，自己凭借。
The element of natural vocal is there, sustain, and also the texture, the different transitions that he does whenever, pointing out to a low note to a higher one. So precisely done. So a lot of questions in your mind, how will he does that? But if you are singing for a long time and you keep on using it, I guess that is normal for you. So what we have here, of course, is, the expertise of Zhou Shen, and definitely lovely. Really, really lovely. Amazing. Zhou Shen already gave us, a lot of performances that keep us, getting our hands down to all of it. It's like we are listening to, a diva. I may say that this is a diva vocals because of, how he performed it, and of course how we loved it so much. It doesn't line up to male singers. If you will compare to, a diva vocal and Zhou Shen, it's almost the same. So I may say definitely that he is a diva. A divo. So sexy, yeah. Wow. No question. I love also the power of Zhou Shen. Definitely those runs that we heard her here. Yes, definitely. I really love, and also the strength, the range, everything. See, that's it. Oh my gosh. Way too perfect. There you go, people. That is the entire performance of Zhou Shen of the song Doorbell. So some titles Doorbell only, while the other ones were ring the doorbell to myself. Another wonderful performance of Zhou Shen. Another cool, exciting experience for each and every one of us. I didn't expect it coming. Yes, there's a lot of elements going on in this performance, and we are definitely surprised again to this wonderful talent of Zhou Shen. Beautiful, beautiful performance, and of course, hope that you love it. Okay, there you go. That's our overall reaction. Hope that you love this reaction video for today, and thank you so much for all the love and support. And of course, people, before we end this video, again reminding everyone to click the subscribe bar with notification bell so that you will get updates whenever new uploads, and comment down below your insight and also your requests for more video reactions. So again, people, thank you so much for all the love. Stay healthy, keep safe. Until next time, love you all. Bye bye.